welcome back to Peyton's Imagination. Do not mind that fan. I need it when I go to bed, so don't mind. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a squishy, so yeah. I should make a Labubu squishy. They're really popular. I'm going to show you the ingredients that you need. You need something to color with, so you can do crayons, markers, anything. Tape, scissors, pieces, papers, or more. Okay, and then you need some fluff. Yeah, that's it. So first you're going to fold your paper like this. So it kind of looks like a burrito, or it looks like you're just making a note. So like this. And this is when you get to draw. So I put you like under, like where you can like see better. I don't really know what I said. Okay, so first I'm just going to be using my black color pencil. You're going to be drawing the Labubu's like head shape. So like, I'm not really good at Labubu's. Guys, you can draw whatever you want, so you don't have to draw what I'm drawing. So there's the head shape. And I'm just going to add like little peaks of hair sticking up. Like that. Oh gosh, I kind of put it like right there. It's supposed to be like right in the middle, because I can add more like that. And then I'm gonna be doing a other piece of layer, and you'll get a little tiny. Oh my gosh, this looks so bad. Guys, I'm not that good at drawing Labubu's. Now I'm just gonna add little like squeebles of hairs. And then this will be the eyebrows. That's the eyebrows. And then this will be like the lighting, like a little shadow or something. And now I'm just gonna draw the eyes. Before I like add like the stuff in the eyes, I'm gonna draw the nose. I don't know if that's good. I'm just gonna add like the film. And then I'm gonna add like that. This looks so bad. I'm so sorry. I'm actually really trying. And then just gonna add like the black stuff. I don't know if that looks good. And you know what I got to do, the smile. Oh my. Well, it kind of looks like the Grinch. I have to do the 9 teeth. Okay, 1. Oh, I'm shaking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Interesting. And then now I'm just gonna add like a little shapes for the blush, so I know where I can put it at. I'm gonna draw the ears. Let me move it down for you guys. This doesn't look good. That's what it looks like. Sorry guys, it looks so terrible. Okay, now we'll just draw the little fillings. And we'll draw one more. There you go. So it looks like Sapphire. Move on the body. So just draw up. Oh my gosh. I don't like it. I'm sorry. It's interesting. I'm just gonna make the little arms, I guess. Like that, and then make the little hand. Okay, now I'm just gonna move on this one. Make the little hand. So it looks like we're zoom in. We need to add the fur. Wait, first, let me make the belly. Okay, now we can add the fur. Now we're gonna do the feet. Okay. Okay, this is, I don't think that's what it looks like, but okay. Well, let me just add that. I'm just gonna erase this part. I'm using color pencil. I'm thinking a rainbow eraser. I can just erase it, maybe. I don't know. Does it work? Yes, that works. Now, I'm just gonna go up like that. Yes, that works. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's it. Now you just have to color it in. Like, make it whatever color you want. Like the secret, whatever. But I'm gonna be doing pink, and you need like a tan color for like the face, the arms, the feet. So yeah, I'm just gonna color that. I need to make the nose pink, and then make that pink. You have to make like a lot of things pink. Or whatever color you're using. So yeah, I'm just gonna color that in. Just got done coloring all of it, so this is what it looks like. You're gonna put tape over it, and then you'll put tape over it like this to cover it. Well, you'll still see it. Then when you're done, you're gonna cut it, and then it'll be like this. And you'll have like 2 pieces of it. I'll just tape it together. But make sure to leave a hole open so you can add the fluff. When taping it, you're just going to leave a little hole to put the fluff in, and that's what I did. You're going to tape that. Done. For today's video, do a big thumbs up, Hulk, smash subscribe button. Bye, guys.